This is my unboxing of the Bifanuo random stand-up paddleboard set. It's a set. But let's see what's inside the box. Okay. First thing we have is a repair kit in this nice plastic container. Put it over there. Then we have this nice bag. It's a nice carrying bag. Thing's worth probably 20 bucks at the store by itself. It's a backpack carrying bag with a waist strap and a backpack thing and a zippered thing and a zippered pocket here for the manual. The manual comes with it. Tells you a little bit about the item. The Bifanuo stand-up paddleboard. It comes with this, which I don't know if you can see through the bag, but this is the tether attached to your leg, attached to the board, so it doesn't escape when the wind carries your board away and you fall off, vice versa. Comes with the middle skag or a fin for it that you attach. This is the longer of the three that are on the bottom. The other two are attached full time. Out. We get this out first. It comes with the paddle set. Look at this. So it comes with two, so it's a kayak paddle, but it comes with two of these also, which I have to kind of show you real quick what this does. These attach real quick here, like that. I'm a kayak kind of guy, so, and then it attaches with this for the other end. Slide it in like that, line it up, and click it tight for a kayak paddle. But it also converts to a stand-up paddleboard paddle. Let's do that too real quick here. Okay, so this is the other piece for that. So this is going to go on first. And then this goes on, and it has these measurements on the side so you can put it to the same height each time that you put it in here. So you can adjust it to the measurement, 79 inches and such. This is adjustable, so you see it sliding, but we'll turn that one turn here and that should hold it. Two turns and it should hold it. There, it's getting tighter. So now you have a paddle for standing up on the board and paddling along. Very nice. Nice the flexibility for either way. I like that a lot. Very thinking. And it comes with the pump, the hose, with the special kind of connector for it. This will also work on some of my inflatable kayaks that I have. Like that. And the hose, the pump. This looks to be a double bellows, which means pumping. Maybe not. Only one-way bellows. Okay, but anyway, it works. Other interesting thing here is it includes a pressure gauge on it. And the pressure gauge in the manual said pump it between 13 and 15. And so it's good that it has the pressure thing here, pressure gauge, so that you don't over-inflate it and pull the drop-down stitching and turn the paddle board into a paddle tube, which you'll never use it again. Okay, and then finally this, the kayak itself. Throw the box out of the way here. Throw the bag out of the way. Comes with this thing to hold it tight so you can roll it up real nice and such. I know one of the things you're going to ask me about this board is how much it weighs, and I had weighed it already. It weighs 17.6 pounds, so it weighs 17.5 pounds. Really much lighter than I expected it to be. Light enough that that anybody can use it. Okay, I think I'll roll it out this way. You can see the two skags on the bottom here. It has, I'm not sure what these lifted, why it's lifted on this part, but here's where you attach the ankle strap, the tether to this D-ring here, right here, and here is the fill. Open that real quick. Standard kind of fill, at least that's the kind I'm used to, and some other D-rings on it. This board has kind of a wood grain design on it to make it look wood grainish and such. And you can see this kind of Tahitian pattern on the bottom as I unroll it also here and such. All right, and here is the front of it. Hold that down, and that will, you can stick your stuff underneath it if you want to carry a backpack or something on it, with 4 D-rings there. Got 4 more D-rings here. You have this carrying strap, so you can just put it under your arm and carry it. Again, it's only 17.5 pounds, so pretty much anybody can carry it. Yes, fill it up with air. Show us how it's done. All right. Screw this on. Screws on this one. Okay. That's screwed on. Undo this again. Okay. Let's see what setting this is. Does it not have a setting? Okay. Put it on there. Turn it to lock it. And then let's put the baby up. I'm not timing it. Hope you guys are timing it. Okay. Pump it up pretty good. You can see I need both feet on this thing. It's a single direction bellows, so it only fills one way where you hear it squealing. And it's really easy. I've been at this about 2 minutes now. Doesn't take much strength to blow the air. No pressure on the gauge yet. Maybe I'm supposed to set it the other way. Oh. Not seeing any action on the gauge here. I'm going to leave that alone. It looks like it's full enough to step on. It's not completely full. Give it a little more air. Try it again. See how we're doing. There we are. That's enough for this purpose. Let's go ahead and unhook this. And I had that thing set so it wouldn't lose the air. Now let's put the skag on the bottom, or the fin on the bottom. Look at that. Easy to carry. Nice and easy. It's a heavy material. This is the material that they make whitewater rafts out of. Alright, where'd that skag go? That fin go? There it is. Fin on the bottom. Slide that in. I think I should have put this in before I filled it up. Yep. So I'm not gonna get this in right now. I can see this is a lock that slides through here when it gets to that point. But so that's that. We just start taking it out. So I'm gonna turn it back over. Here's the bottom. It's got a Tahitian turtle on the bottom of this one with pretty coloring. I bought 2 of them. This is the other one. The other one is there. Same size. This is the 11-foot. I got the 11-foot because I figured you can throw the whole family on it if you want. You know, you could stick 3 people sitting on this if you want. All right. So this is the Bifanuo whatever random board with all the equipment it comes with. The equipment itself, by itself, is worth like $50 just for the equipment, which means you're only paying $50 for the board at the $100 price that I paid for this. So, what do I think? I think 2 thumbs up. It's well worth the price for a nice, useful paddleboard that you can either sit on and kayak, or you can stand up and paddle. Okay, let's take the air out of it. See how that goes for demonstration purposes. Unscrew that real quickly. Push this down. Should lock into place. Or not. Ah, yes it does. It locked down to let the air out. And you can see it's getting all wrinkly as the air is blowing out. Now, just wait patiently for 5 minutes or some number of minutes. So, this is all the stuff in the bag. Plenty of extra room for your safety harness. What's it called? Thing. Here's the strap. Grunting is part of being a man. Everybody knows that. There. So, I could walk 2 miles with this on easily enough.